Hello friends, welcome to Explore YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial video, we'll be going to learn about how we can share our PDF files. Reason being, sometimes we got a job assignment as well as college, universities, dissertations, presentations, theses to prepare from the PDF file random pages. Also, if you are as a learner or a teacher or a professor, you can still learn it from here that how to share random pages, PDF files online instantly once you get separated them by following these video steps. So let's start our video from here. So friends, what you have to do, you have to open first your Google browser, whichever browser you have been using, and you have to minimize it. Now you can see over here on desktop I have a file next to password for Excel that is financial modeling. So what I would do is I have to click over here, then I have to drag it, and you can see here I have dragged the file and leave it here in the search bar, and then I hit enter, and now you can see the file is being opened instantly. The steps I just mentioned you friends, reason being whatever file you have to carry it or drag it to the search bar of your browser. Then you have to click over here on the print, and now you can see here a new pop-up window has opened. The destination of the PDF files should be saved as PDF or whichever you like over here. And the next very step is pages. So here if you would like to have only all pages, you have to click on the all pages option, even pages option. But for right now we'll be clicking on custom. So now you can see here this PDF file has so many pages and I would like to get specific pages. So randomly I'm just showing over here. I would like to have the page number 5, then I have to put comma and give space. And next I would like to have page from 10 to 15, then I have to put comma and give space. Afterwards I would like to have page number 21, have to put comma over here and give space. Then I would like to have page number 25 until 29. So this way you have to mention your pages, you have to put comma and you have to give space. Otherwise you won't get your total pages over here. So friends, right now I have mentioned in total 13 pages. So you can see over here on the top right the 13 pages. Depending on these pages, it has counted the pages, and the pages are right now 13. So what it has done, it has separated all these specific random pages from rest of the PDF files, and you can see here I am getting all those pages which I have mentioned in my selection. So this time you need how many pages per sheet. You have to select the options, otherwise you have to save it, and it will ask you where would you like to save your file. So you have to give a new name to this file. I would like to save this financial modeling one on desktop, and I have to click on save, and you can see here I have got my file financial modeling one. So I click on it to open it and check it. So friends, you have seen I have got 13 pages separate file here depending on the selection I have made instantly on online browser, whichever browser you may use. So this way you can send specific pages to your tutor, to your college professor, teacher, or your friends, as well as this is very handy for your work assignments too when you have to prepare some kind of presentations, or you have to give, or you have to convert your Word file document into PDF, and then you have to just send specific documents. This way you can separate them and send it to the destination person. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Explore YouTube channel so I can bring up more videos for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.